Hey Mom, is everything okay? I sent you last. I started learning about multiplication last week and I'm having trouble remembering all my facts. Really? Which one do I choose? Let's see. 4s, 6s. Oh, and my 8s and my 9s. Wow, well, lucky for you, I have songs we can sing to help you learn all of those facts for those multiples. The 3 song I sing it tonight is Row Your Boat. The 4 song I sing it to She'll Be Coming Out on the Mountain. The 6 song I sing it to the cheerleader. The 8 song I sing it to the cool song by Taylor Swift. The 9th song I sing it to She'll Be Coming Out on the Mountain by Billie Eilish. Wow, I can't wait to learn them with you. I might need some help singing them, so I brought some friends backstage to help me sing. You can follow along by looking at the poster boards held by our teachers. The first song will start with multiple threes. I hope you enjoy it. Next, we will perform the song for number 6. Next, we will perform the song for our 8s.